Hi friends, today we're going to do a counting activity. Here on the side are numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to look here in the squares and see how many are there. This one has 0, so you're going to cut out 0 and glue it in here. Or if you want to do this over and over, just place it in here. How many bears are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to find number 4 here and glue it on. You're going to do that for all of the ones on this page. Then we're going to go to the next page. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to count them here. Let's see how many horses there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to find number 8. It's going to go right into this spot. If you're working on this side, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. And here's another page. It might look the same, but they're different pictures. You're going to do the same activity. And then there's one more. And this one's a little bit mixed up. There's 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. So just, again, put them in here. This one's fun to visit over and over and over. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.